Time dances like a flame. It flickers and it knows the story's never told, and it holds. Time hears the voice you sing alone, and it knows your path of forgotten talk, and it runs and never stops to slow until it lets